Hi, good morning. So yesterday we have done about routing in Angular. We have created these modules and components, uh, and we just navigated to the routes. So how to give the routes means, uh, first of all we need to get this component. If I want to give the navigation to this component, so I have written this dashboard component, then have given the path as a dashboard. Okay, then I need to import the dashboard. Okay, then I need to import this dashboard. To use this dashboard in this component, so we need to import, then after we need to give the settings of the route. Same for the events and charts. So here what I am doing is, if you give single parenthesis, so it means that in the URL, so if I directly enter the website address, so it will directly redirect to dashboard page. Yes, is this clear? Hello, hello. Is my voice audible? Yes, okay, thanks. So if I enter directly the URL 4200, so it is directly navigated to dashboard screen. Then if I want to try chart, it went to charts page. Even it went to events page. Yes. Now we will prepare the links. Then after, if you click that particular link, it will navigate to the particular page. We will add the page here. So we design the website such a way that, okay, I will create the main as a dashboard page. Okay, in dashboard page, we will give the two buttons. So if we click on any button, it will navigate to events page. We will load inside of the page only. We will create this navigation. Then after, we will create the form, and we do the form validations and form submit functionality.
Bro, you muted your mic. Bro, your voice is not audible.
Yes. After giving this router link to dashboard and events and charts, so we are able to see the page like this. We are able to see the page like this. So it default it is loading this dashboard page because we have given the routes in such a way that default it should load this dashboard page. So what I'm doing is if I remove this dashboard component also we can remove. So to remove this component also we can remove directly, it will load. So this is how we are navigating this page. Dashboard component, events and charts all are loading here. Why? Because means we have given this router link here. Wherever we give this router link, there the page will load. Yeah, is this clear, right? Like navigations. In for further also we can do more navigations like load children, like inside of this component how to load, and lazy loading also we can do with this Angular. So I will explain this lazy loading concept. Just we will do the example later. But so we have the modules in our application. We have the, for example, we have 4 modules for our application. One is login, one is dashboard, okay, one is account details, okay, one is like charts, okay. In charts, multiple components will be there. There are 3 to 4 components, 3 to 4 components, right? Okay, here also one component will be there. So what happening is, when if I want to load the for this entire the four components, there will be 5 MB data, for example. Okay, 5 MB data. If we calculate this entire data, there will be 5 MB. So if you want to load this 5 MB in the browser, it will take 1 minute, for example, 1 minute or 2 minutes of time. Okay, so it will take user to wait 2 minutes. So instead of that one, what Angular did means, there is 5 MB data, so we will split into the components, right? Okay, so then initially I will load only this login page. I will not load all these these modules. So I loaded this one. So in background, lazy loading, in background, I will load this dashboard component. Okay. Then after I went to do this dashboard component, after clicking this particular URL or any navigation, then I will load this account details, okay, module. Then after I will load charts module. So with this process, the application will load very fastly. This is the concept of lazy loading. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, this is clear, right? Uh, the routes and navigation. Okay, now we will add this, like we will create this tables like form, and then we will include this save, update, delete card operations in this particular dashboard bar. So there will be a concept like prime ng, like in real time, like in our current work environment, we will use this prime ng. This is a material CSS. So what it means? So if you want to design the page in such a way that looks attractive, so we use these tables. As I mentioned you, like initially, like if you construct any a bridge or dam, so nowadays people are constructing somewhere else that bridge. Okay, so if I want to construct any bridge, for example, so I will construct that pillars somewhere, and I will just fix that pillars on the road. I will bring from somewhere, and I will fix. Then after I will construct the road on this, on the top of this one. So in the with this, so the development will become very fast. So predefined tables, predefined buttons also we are using in Angular instead of writing ourselves. So we use, if you want to use this any table, any text button, this is a text box. So this is autocomplete. So automatically, if I want to use this functionality, okay, so I can use this one. If I want to, so I want to use this calendar functionality, okay, right, we can use. So it depends on the company. Like in our organization, we use this PrimeNG, but we don't know the other companies in real time what they use in other companies. So if I want to use this multi checkbox also, we can use here. So if you know that this all knowledge on this one, it will be very helpful in your further development. Okay, this multi select drop down. Okay, if you want to develop this kind of functionality, so it will take a lot of time. So if I use this entire code in my application, we can easily develop. Okay, there are multiple things are there, so I will share this with you. Please go through it. Okay, please go through this one. So we will also implement, if you want, I will implement these text boxes in our application. Just how to install this PrimeNG and how to implement all these things. So as of now, you all learned HTML, CSS, right? So that knowledge is enough for to develop this one with this. So these are the chips. So if I type, so this kind of functionality we can easily directly include in our application. So color picker, drop downs, editor, toggle button. That is and we will implement Bootstrap today. So in HTML, you all learned all these things, right? Like what is div and elements and tags, right? So we will, instead of only, I will take only div, this container, and I'm adding here. So so it is not working. You see, we are not able to see this particular design, exact design. This is how it should look actually. It should look, but we are not able to. Our page should look like this actually. The design should be,
We
but
have to install Bootstrap, right, bro? To our
yes,
project.
yes, we need to install the Bootstrap to use that one. So there is two ways to get the Bootstrap in our application. Directly, we need to add the CDN script in the script section of this Angular. Here in Angular, like index.html, in a part, I will add this script. Sorry, one second. It is not coming. When we do any changes in index.html or configuration side, so we need to do again this npm start actually. So then only it will load entire application. Okay, now we are able to see this bootstrap is applied in our application. Okay, this is clear, right? How to import or include the bootstrap in our application. This is the one way. Yes, we are able to implement the bootstrap. So whatever
Yeah.
the code we want, right, we can write. So this is the one way. Another way is like just how we install any. Just understand this one. Like if I want to install a Instagram in my mobile, or any a food delivery application in my mobile. So what I will do, I will go to the Play Store. What I will do, I will go to the Play Store. Then I will search for the food delivery app. So that then I will get the food delivery app. Then I will download that one. Okay. Then I download that one and I will register and I will use, right. So here also, whatever, if you want any, if you want anything for the Angular, I want to use now. Now I need Bootstrap actually. So npm node package manager is there. So this is a website. Okay, we have to go to this website and search. Like I want Bootstrap. Okay, we search. We will get the Bootstrap. Okay, is this clear right now? How to get the Bootstrap or anything, whatever you want, I will show. So this is a Bootstrap, and here it will tell how to install and all these things. So there will be the documentation. Okay, there will be the documentation. So we can install. For example, if I want a location, actually we implemented this functionality. I'm not able to see. Uh, device detect the information correctly. Okay, for example, if you use this device manager, if we install this one, so we can able to detect like we are using the mobile like Android or iOS or Chrome. So if you open, if you download any application in our browser, in our mobile, so it will, if you want to download any application from the website, so if you want a Swiggy, so if you click from the iOS, it will directly navigate to the Apple Store. If we click from the Android store means it will directly navigate to the Play Store, right? So how it is, that functionality is implemented means this like this the device detector will be there. So when you click on this download link on any website, if you click on the website, the download link, so then after it will directly navigate to like Chrome or Android like this. If it is selected as Android, it will navigate to Android. So we need to implement, we need to write that functionality actually. So there